Brabus has unveiled the all-new Brabus Bodo, a limited production high-performance 2+2 Grand Tourer created as a tribute to company founder Bodo Buschmann. Built around an aluminum monocoque chassis borrowed from the Aston Martin Vanquish in a full carbon fiber body, the Brabus Bodo is powered by a hand-built 5.2-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 Newton-meters of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission with an electronically controlled differential. Brabus claims the coupé can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3 seconds, can reach 200 km per hour in 8.5 seconds, and has a top speed of 360 km per hour. The car features active aerodynamics, including a 2-stage deployable rear spoiler that can also function as an air brake under heavy braking. Riding on custom 21-inch Brabus monoblock ZGT Shadow Edition forged wheels with specially developed Continental Sport Contact 7-force tires, the Bodo also incorporates adaptive suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, and multiple driving modes ranging from wet to Sport Plus. Measuring just over 5 meters long, the Bodo combines dramatic styling with luxury-focused craftsmanship inside. Brabus says the Bodo represents the culmination of nearly 2 decades of development work aimed at creating the brand's ultimate grand touring supercar. The coach-built 2+2 coupe combines retro-inspired proportions with modern supercar engineering and will be limited to just 77 units worldwide. Guys, what do you think about the new Bodo? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.